In this video, I will demonstrate how to submit the planner assignment for your college studies course. To locate the Google Calendar, you can go to and log into MyJeffco, and on the home page, find the calendar. Once you've opened your calendar, you will need to use your syllabi from all of your classes, including your college studies course, and enter in all assignment and test quizzes due dates for the entire semester. To do this, you will need to find the date the assignment is due, click on the date and choose the time that you would want to enter in the assignment. Type in the title for the assignment and be sure it is saved as an event. Once you've entered in the assignment, click Save. You can view your calendar in the monthly view by clicking the drop-down box and choosing month. Now you can see the assignment is due. Once you have entered in all of your due dates, to submit this assignment is a two-step process. The first step is to share your calendar with your instructor. To do this, click on the Settings gear icon and click on Settings. Once in the Settings menu, scroll down and find your name to expand your calendar settings. In the expanded view, scroll down to share with specific people and choose Add People. Find your instructor's name or enter in their name or address, and then click Send. Once you have sent the link to your instructor, you will also need to scroll down and copy the public URL to this calendar. To do this, left-click, then right-click onto the drop-down menu. Once you have saved your link, you will need to come back to Canvas, and in the Planner assignment, click Start Assignment. To attach your URL link, click on Text Entry, and in the drop-down box, hit Control-V as in Victor, and enter your URL. Once you have submitted and entered the URL, scroll down to Submit Assignment. Once you have submitted it on Canvas, you have successfully submitted the assignment for your instructor.